Hello and welcome to Trains on Tuesday. A few days ago I was sitting here looking out the window and a CN train went by. It was going east, the opposite direction to the one you see now. And all of a sudden the emergency brakes went on. It came to a clanging, banging, shuddering stop and it blocked the crossing. 20 minutes later it was still there. Cars were backed up. Most of them were sitting there for 5 minutes or so and then deciding to leave, go find a different way. And a little while later I thought I heard another train and I looked out and that one was still sitting there, and I looked off to the west between the houses and there was another train coming, creeping up behind the one that was stalled. And I thought, maybe I better start filming some of this, see what's going on. So we pick up the action through my window here as the second train came in and coupled up to the rear end of the stalled train. And then I went out to the crossing and I filmed the rest of what took place. And what happened was they hooked on, pumped air into the stalled train, and then pushed it into town. The rescue train had 105 cars of its own on, and from what I could see it was pushing at least 60 if not more cars ahead of it. So that's our trains for on Tuesday for today, and hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now. This train did an emergency stop about 20 minutes ago. It's been blocking the crossing, and now a second train is coming behind it. We'll swing around there. I don't think we'll be able to quite see that, but there's a tank car through there, and it now appears to be coming on to hook up. We can see the brakeman there. He has prepared that car at the back of that train to be hooked onto, and they're probably going to separate the train and clear the crossing. As I say, it was an emergency stop, so I don't know what's happened at the other end of the train. We'll wait and see. Okay, they're coupled on. Brakeman's connecting up the air hoses. Well, there's two ways he can go now. He can either push it into town or he can pull it back, clear the crossing. They're now pumping air into the stalled train. In the meantime, the crossing remains blocked. So the train pushed the stalled train and then came to a stop again with another 3 or 4 cars. 5 cars still blocking the crossing. You better go.